Just working on the pipe work on this little Muller milk tank. This is a second-hand thing, obviously about 20 years old. Original pipe that comes off the back. Comes up here. We've got a new pipe work, new suction line going up there through the wall, and the other one coming along the side there. We need about 100 mil, well there's 100 mil for each centre to centre between them, and obviously they're coming up in line there where it comes off the tank. So what I've done, it's got a bit of scrap cardboard, drawn a couple of pencil lines on it, 100 mil apart. And got the edge of the pipe lined up with the first line. You can bend the pipe with the benders, you can do this with the hand benders or anything, then there we go, roughly lines up, so with a bit of luck that should fit. Another little tip while I think of it is if you're messing around trying this sort of thing and you might have to put it back in the benders, it pays to put a couple of marks on the pipe where the little hook is, so you can put it back in there in exactly the same place. That's that pipe fitted in there. I don't fall off the steps first. Don't just show up very well with it. As long and round like that. I messed up because I marked it out centre to centre and I bent it outside edge to outside edge, so it's about inch and eighth, so it's about inch and eighth too close together, but it's kind of kept the same spacing between them two, so it doesn't look too bad. I've got 2 liquid lines poked through as well with some plastic tube around them. Because I think they're going to put some mortar around here, some paint around it, so that'll stop the cement from eating through the copper. That's where it comes through the wall, runs down onto the 2 units. Got another one to go down here later on. We're not sure what size it is or where it's going to go. I've made the hole wide enough, but Sparky's got his switches in the way.